Our team's project is the Enterprise Appointment System, which was a multi-year project started in 2012. The aim of the project was to coordinate care for our patients, in particular those with chronic diseases. This system helped to coordinate care across various departments and specialties. Patients would be able to book their appointments through this automated system, which was coordinated and standardized throughout the entire hospital.
With EAS, the TSH has moved from appointment cards to appointment lists. This provides details for the future appointments for the patient. This can be system printed, and this improves accuracy, improving patient care and self-satisfaction.
If patients missed their appointments and needed to have their appointments rescheduled, this would be centrally coordinated throughout the entire system such that there would be no double booking of appointments and would bring convenience to the family as well as to the patient care.